This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. Memorial weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. You're still enjoying. The market is on. We still have a chance to create some more income. We can see how the market is a little bit fluctuating and moving towards up. We're going to talk about the Nasdaq contract today as well. It's going to be a short day, but we're going to make it as best as possible. The best opportunities we got to trade. So we see how the market is slowly climbing up towards the major supply. Market's gonna be closing soon. We're still gonna look for the long position. Not sure if we see how we're gonna talk about the night profile to see how the trade move, the price move, and where he's going through. And let's just quickly dive in to catch those opportunities. Of course, starting in the day interval, we'll look how the basically price landed on the line that we marked, which is parallel to the demand pool going upwards. It's an uptrend. We're gonna look for the long position, going for the 4 hours chart, and you see it in a little bit more clear over here. Gonna make it stretch it a bit here, so it's gonna be a little more readable. We can see where the opportunity relies. We see how the price basically dropping over here from the minus supply towards the demand and going upwards. And from here on, we're gonna look for the long position. I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes interval to check for possible position. We already see how the price behave within the 15 minutes interval, reaching out to the supply area over here, the pre-marked. And we see how the day profile look and the night profile look as well. I'm gonna cancel for a sec the rest of the indicator. A lot of you people told me that, the traders told me that this picture of the profile makes it hard to see the candle. The reason that we're using it is for you guys to see and understand what's the tactic and what's the strategy when we are trading. So just to make a point, I'm gonna cancel those profiles for you, just for you to understand. We see where the price relies when you basically reaching those domains. We see how it's basically a huge institution raising up the price up towards the 4 hours supply pool. Of course, it does not flip. We don't have the supportive volume as well. It reaches the minor demand going downwards, and obviously lands on a 15 minutes interval as well. The supportive volume shows us that the price is still gonna go up. Now we're gonna look for the long position. Where's the long position relies? Of course, within the day we can see it over here, and within the night we're gonna see it a little bit. I'm gonna put the indicator once more for us to understand. So within the 15 minutes interval, we see the following. We have a huge institution raising the price upwards, and within the night we see how the price still trade in this area. And now the day profile basically started to build up, reaching up the minus supply, plus the price started to drop down. Now I'm gonna even narrow it down to the 5 minutes interval to look for possible position. I'm gonna cancel. I'm not gonna even cancel this. We can see how basically the price open over here going up to the supply, lands on the high value area of the previous day. We have a possible position within the day right here to take a long position, quick long position, taking maybe 2 contract over here, making a quick 15 or even maybe even more, 2,200, and risking by only 600 or 700, 540. That's first position. Take it the long position from here upwards. Where is the upwards? Right here. I'm gonna make it, guys, a little bit more clear. Basically, we see the price lands on the high value area, reaching the supply, landing now reverse, flip and reverse. A possible position would be to enter in a long position over here upwards, or low position from here from the POC upwards, or from the low value area upwards. And of course, if we want to be a safe position, we want to see the price breaches the supply area, land back on the supply, and go upwards again. So those are the scenarios of the day. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible position within the day. Of course, for our trading community, we're gonna elaborate on this on the Discord channel. I don't want to take too much of your time today. I want you to enjoy this long weekend. I want to wish you a happy Memorial weekend. Of course, For those of you who got more questions, we are on the Discord channel. Continue and connect us with us in this channel. I'm gonna see you on the next market overview, and have a safe trading today and successful one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Those of you who did not connect to the group, of course, the Discord is open for you. It's a completely free education. Highly recommended. I encourage you to go and plug in, meet new traders, and get exposed to our methodologies and trending ideas. Again, I wish you a successful weekend, and enjoy the weekend, this long weekend, and I'm gonna see you on the next market overview. Thank you for watching.